Greetings to you all. Welcome to my channel. If today is your first time, please subscribe and do turn on the notification bell so that when I put in a new video, you can easily get notified. So what are we doing today, guys? Today's video is just my personal routine. Like, first of all, I want to do my face routine. Just want to show you guys what I apply in the evening before going to bed. You need to see me today. I went to work without applying any makeup. That is to tell you this product is really good on my face. And also the natural remedy I do apply before I apply my face cream. So I use this as face cream for the now. So as you can see my before and after picture, guys, that was 3 weeks ago. 3 weeks ago when I was having this pigmentation on my face, this something. So I just went ahead and I bought Dudu soon, and also bought this one last week. So I started using this one now. It's really working good. So for those of you who wants to go for this, it's really nice, guys. It's a nice product from NIVEA, which is NIVEA Q10 anti-aging serum, guys. The serum is very nice because it contains vitamin E and C. You can just rub it in the evening before going to bed, but I will advise you, if you can go for the full product, which is the way it is analyzed here, you can just go for the full product, the face serum, the tag cream, which is the day cream, and the extra fresh stick, so which is this particular one. The way, yeah, as you can, I don't know if you guys can see it. So for me, I just go for only this, and it's really working good for me. It will help if you are having stress. Sometimes when you are being stressed, it also affects the skin, like seriously, most especially the face. So I was totally down. My skin was, how will I put it, kaput. So what did I do? I just come up with my own idea, which I'm about to show you now. Without me wasting much of your time, guys, this video I just want to make it short. So let me just show you what I normally do in the evening with this product and what I apply before this product. So now, guys, let's just begin. So first of all, now I have to use my Dudu Osun to wash my face, and after then I will just apply the next thing. So now let's just do this. So after applying my Dudu Osun, I just had to leave it like 10 minutes. 10 minutes or 5 minutes, because my face is very sensitive. So that is the reason why I have to leave it for 5 minutes. So guys, I just wash my face with warm water, not that hot, warm, or if possible cold water. Just wash my face with cold water, and I'm not going to clean it up. I just want to go ahead and apply my honey that way. So this is what I will do. So now I have to wait for like 20 minutes, because if possible, you can, if you want to leave it like 30 minutes, there is no problem. Honey is natural, it doesn't contain any harsh ingredients, like it's just natural. And I will advise you, if you want to do this, go for natural honey. You know, it's really nice. So I just have to wait for 20 minutes. Honey will help purify your skin. It will help repair any damage on your skin. If you are having skin pigmentation, skin reaction due to what you've used before on your skin, on your face, it will help get rid of it. So honey is really active in any way. It's really good, very effective. I will advise you guys to keep using honey on your face. So now let's just wait in 20 minutes. So guys, the next thing now, this time I'm not gonna wash my face with water. I'll just go ahead and use this NIVEA Versa. So this one is normal face cleaner. If you maybe probably for makeup, any other thing, so I just decided to use this is what I use. So this one is normal, and for all skin type. You can actually use it for all skin type. It's really good. It will help your skin to look more nice, and it will also help repair your skin. So if case of for those of you who actually love makeup just like me, I will advise you to go for this. So this is what I will do right now. I will just, so now this is the product we are about to use now. So the next thing I will do right now, I will just use this to wipe my face and clean my face. So this time I also use it to clean my neck. So I only use only this for my neck. I don't apply other thing. So this is what I will do. So this is it, guys. I'm done. That is just it. And this time I'm not gonna wash it. I just want to leave it in the next day. It's like that. It's very, very, very simple. So thank you guys for your time. I so much appreciate. Please, 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 I will advise you to go get this for yourself. It's not that expensive. It's just 15 euro, let me say 14 euro for just this, and it will last you for a month. Let me say a month or 2 months if I'm not mistaken. So that is just it for today, guys. I so much appreciate you all. Thank you for your time. Thanks for always watching my video. If you love this particular one I just make a review about, if you love this routine I did right now about my face, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment if possible. If you love this video, if you have anything to say, you can easily drop your comment. Thank you guys for your time. Thank you. See you guys in my next video. Do have a blessed day. Bye bye.